Today's Bible verse comes from Psalm chapter 105 verse 1, King James Version. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, call upon his name, make known his deeds among the people. Psalm 105:1 is a call to worship and public testimony, urging believers to gratefully recognize God's character and publicly share his past faithfulness. It emphasizes gratitude, prayer, and sharing stories of God's works. Key aspects. Number 1. Give thanks to the Lord, expressing gratitude to God's character and actions, rather than focusing on challenges. Number 2. Call upon his name, proclaiming his power, invoking him in prayer, and acknowledging his holy nature. Number 3. Make known his deeds, telling others, the peoples or nations, about God's miracles and faithfulness in history, particularly his covenant promises. In essence, this verse sets the stage for the rest of Psalm 105, which reviews God's miraculous care for Israel, encouraging a no-amnesia approach to faith by remembering his works. Amen.